the power of the president?
The thinking perhaps is it's not an independent Senate. And that's the reason we are in the Senate, because we're supposed to have an independent Senate. When I was first elected, that was initially what I already said. This will be an independent Senate.
Some point is
It cannot be a Senate of the administration. Oo.
So hindi ibig sabihin na part ng majority kailangan mag-side palagi sa posisyon ng presidente.
Ay, hindi, tama yun. You should always side on what is good for the people. And you should always side in what is the good for the Senate.
Sir, ang kanyang statement pa kagabi nung nabotohan, sabi niya, buti pa si Senator Drilon, masaya. Parang ang dating is, yung nasunod yung gusto ng minority bloc.
Parang, why are you standing with the
Kayo, parang you sided with the minority bloc.
Pagka ganun ang thinking, lahat ng bills na hindi member ng majority ay dapat hindi manalo. O, lahat ng resolusyon na hindi member ng majority hindi dapat manalo. Hindi naman tamang thinking yun. Perhaps later on he will realize that being a senator is different from being just a follower of the administration.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.